Welcome to my home decorated for Christmas. This year, I'm keeping it very similar as last year, as it is that season in my life with having a newborn where things just need to be consistent. So I hope you enjoy this tour of bells and greens and just cozy small home for Christmas. I love decorating my home and opening it up to others to enjoy, and you guys get to share in that today as I share my small home of 950 square foot decked out for the Christmas season. I use a lot of thrifted items, leftovers from last year. I shouldn't say leftovers, but things from last year, things from 5 years ago, and I just love pulling it together and creating a cozy and inviting space for the holiday season. So I am going to share a beautiful Christmas music, speak a little bit here and there, but I love just being able to watch a beautiful tour, and I hope that's what this is for you all and can inspire you to decorate with affordable items, thrifted items, and pieces that you love to bring into your home. So with that, let's enjoy some Christmas music and a cozy Christmas home for the holidays. One new thing that you will be seeing is this nativity set. It is a willow tree nativity set, and I was gifted that last Christmas by my mom. I'd been looking for a Christmas nativity set that matched my decor, and I believe this is one that fits my home. It's neutral, it's beautiful, and just that it is simple for the birth of Jesus. So that is something new that I received, and just love how it adds to the top of my piano with all the greens and the glowing lights around it. Decor has to be kept practical with kids' books out, my husband's guitar as we lead worship in our church every once in a while, and just life has to be left simply how it is. Yes, it is spruced up a bit for this video, and not toys and stuff strewn about or food on the counters and things like that, but it is still my home and my cozy space. And this view, and you will see later at night with the garlands and all the glowing lights, is just one of my favorites during this season. coffee station and our accordion rack is our little Advent calendar that we will start December 1st and read a Advent devotional daily with the kids. So it's fun to just have that out as well and ready for when that starts very soon. noticed on this particular day, the sun is in and out and streaming through the windows, leaving nice spurts of shine all over the tables, the floor, countertops, and it's just how it is. Sometimes when you film, you get those days, but I just love the glow of the sun coming through that kitchen window in our eating kitchen, because this is the space that I get to be in most often. Watching that sun stream through the window, especially on those delicious chewy ginger molasses cookies, which you can find on my blog, davyKillian.com. So enjoying those cooling on the rack for the kids to eat after the video is filmed. One of the cookbooks that I use to find delicious cookies to bake, like the butterscotch one that I bake year after year to share with others. To share the baby enjoying looking at all the lights of the glowing Christmas tree, and then the night view of my home all lit up for the Christmas season. So Christmas is a beautiful time of decorating and gifting and sharing joy with others, and because it is about Christ's birth, and he was the best gift of all, and I want to share that special gift with others by how I interact with them. So I hope you enjoyed this tour and you enjoy the Christmas season. I look forward to sharing other Christmas related and homemaking, motherhood, and simple living videos with you in the following weeks.